She won't tell you this, but every thoughtful mind craves these 5 places, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and in ways they might not even admit to themselves. You see, philosophical fulfillment isn't just about knowledge or wisdom. It's about understanding the hidden desires we rarely speak of, the states of mind we secretly yearn to experience, the emotions we wish to rekindle, and the kind of enlightenment that feels both elusive and magnetic. And here's the truth. If you don't know these places, you're missing out on a deeper, more meaningful existence. Because when you understand where the mind wants to go, emotionally, intellectually, even spiritually, you can guide it there. And once you experience that resonance, it becomes unforgettable. So stick around, because we're about to break down 5 places the philosophical mind secretly craves. And once you understand these, you'll see yourself and the world around you in a way you never have before. Place number 1, the realm of intellectual challenge. There's a place every thinker craves, where their mind feels engaged, stretched, and invigorated by ideas that challenge its limits. It's the feeling of grappling with concepts so complex or foreign that they almost seem impossible to comprehend. But that's precisely what makes it addictive. Because for the philosophical, mind comfort is stagnation. It's not about having all the answers, but about wrestling with the questions themselves. The joy is in the struggle, the process of discovering new perspectives, of dismantling old beliefs to rebuild something truer. Once you step into this space, where your intellect is tested and your assumptions are shaken, you find yourself craving that rush of mental expansion again and again. Place number 2, the space of existential freedom. Time is a construct we all acknowledge, but few truly grasp. And for the philosophical mind, the desire for freedom transcends the physical. It's about liberation from the constraints of identity, expectation, and the narratives society imposes. Imagine a place where you're free from definitions, where you can explore who you are without the weight of labels or expectations. A space where authenticity is valued over conformity, where ideas can flourish unfiltered and uncensored. It's not about escaping reality. It's about embracing a reality that feels more true, more honest, more aligned with your deepest self. And once you've tasted that kind of freedom, it becomes a lifelong pursuit. Place number 3, the depth of emotional resonance. Philosophy isn't just about logic and reason. It's about emotion, experience, and the deeply felt connections that give life meaning. But true emotional resonance is rare. It's the space where understanding transcends words, where you feel something so profoundly that it reshapes your very being. It's not about superficial positivity or easy answers. It's about confronting the full spectrum of human experience, the beauty and the pain, and finding meaning within it. It's the catharsis of understanding something at such a deep level that it changes you. And once you've felt that kind of resonance, you'll seek it out again and again, because it's one of the few things that truly feels real. Place number 4, the pursuit of the sublime. The sublime isn't just beauty. It's that overwhelming, awe-inspiring feeling that strikes you when you encounter something vast, powerful, or inexplicably profound. It's the rush of standing before a roaring waterfall, staring into the infinite expanse of the night sky, or contemplating the paradoxes of existence itself. It's the sense of being both insignificant and incredibly significant at the same time. The philosophical mind craves this experience because it shatters complacency and forces you to confront the mystery of existence. And once you've been moved by the sublime, the mundane will never feel quite the same. Place number 5, the domain of authentic connection. Philosophical conversations are not small talk. They are the deep, intense dialogues that strip away pretense and reveal something genuine. It's the meeting of minds that feels like a dance of ideas, where you lose track of time because you're so engrossed in the exchange. These connections are rare and invaluable, where both participants feel understood, challenged, and inspired. It's not about agreement, it's about authenticity. And once you've experienced that kind of connection, you find yourself searching for it in every interaction. Want to know the rest of the 10 places the philosophical mind craves? Stick around, because the journey has only just begun.